Want to know how to change your dimensions in Boo app? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your Boo application. So we have also created a video on how to log in and how to download the Boo application, so make sure to watch it. So once you have done that, you should be provided with this interface right here. And now in order to change dimensions, you can just simply select on the top left side right here. You should be seeing this small icon right next to this hamburger icon right here. So you can just simply select it, and now here you should be seeing dimensions. So you can just simply scroll down until you see yours, or just simply select plus and then sort the language easily, and that's it. Super simple and easy. So this basically does is this basically enables you to join or have conversation with different languages and others. So you can see American Sign Languages and much more. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.